wanting to do a Nykaa haul since a really long time, but because of this lockdown and everything I couldn't do it. But now I have a haul. A disclaimer, I don't promote online shopping right now because I know the situation outside is not stable. The numbers are still increasing, but the thing is I ordered some essential things which I really needed, and some of the products which I was running out of, so I had to buy them. And two items which I'm going to show you in this haul are delivered to me now. I ordered them in around March or April, and then it got delivered now. So yeah, I thought of including them even in this haul because why not? So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So these are the packages which came to me, and there's another Nykaa ka box, but actually what happened, I discarded that because it was just consuming a lot of space in my house. It was a big one, so I just have everything here now stored, but don't worry, I've sanitized all the products, even the other things. So let's now unpack. So the first thing which I want to show you guys is the shampoo. So this is the Sunsilk Co-Creations Long and Healthy Growth Shampoo. This is one of the most favorite shampoo of mine. It is sulfate free, so it's really good for all type of hair, and you should always use a sulfate free shampoo. I've been using this shampoo for quite a while now, and I have seen results. It really makes your hair long, and it really make them very soft and smooth. It has really become long after using this shampoo, because पहले मैं जो shampoo use करती थी उससे it did not give so much effect, but इसको use करने के बाद I am seeing difference. So yeah, this one is like my absolute love. Okay, the next thing is my absolute favorite. It is the M Caffeine's Naked and Raw Coffee Mask. This is my second tub, and I love this product. It also comes with a spoon which I use at times but not always because it is a bit tedious to apply like this. So I go in with my hands. So this is very good for tightening the pores, and it is also very good for correcting. अगर आपको भी पिंपल हुआ है, you can just take a small amount and the spot correct. तो ये वो पिंपल गायब कर देता है 1 या 2 दिन में. So whenever you feel that your pores are not clean, ये use कर लेना. I guarantee you आपके पोर्स बहुत क्लीन और टाइटन लगेंगे, and it's very nice for that. It has coffee, so that is very good for oily skin, but dry skin people don't use it. It's gonna make your skin even more dry. So I absolutely love this. I got something free with that coffee mask. It's these two. I haven't opened them yet. They are still sealed. And I have not used this body polishing oil ever, but I have heard that it helps in stretch marks reduction, and मैं बहुत ही excited हूँ मुझे ये use करना है because I have stretch marks on my thighs, and if that can help, it's very good. So I can't tell you about this product, but I have used this one. This is the body scrub. I have the bigger version and even 2 of these smaller ones. I have even done a video on this, like 5 things you should have. This is very good, so I won't talk much about it. You can see that video, but this one I can't give opinion because I haven't tried it out. So I will try this out and let you guys know in my Instagram. So if you have not followed me on Instagram, please do. I will use this and I will give a story regarding how it works. So wait for it. Okay, this is another skincare item I got. It is the Hip Hop Cleansing Charcoal No Strip. So this, I have been loving this one since a really long time. It is very good for the removal of blackheads and whiteheads. मेरा तो ज़्यादातर whiteheads ही जाता है इससे, but I have a lot of whiteheads on my nose, and it is very good. But the thing is, अगर आपके बहुत ही minute pores है, तो it won't work as such for you. But it does work for them also, but not like आप एक major difference नहीं देख पाओगे, and it is not good for sensitive skin. अगर आपका hyper sensitive skin है तो it is very bad for that. It's for ₹90. It's not that costly also. Give it a try. If you like it, it's good. But for me it really works, so it's good for me. I like it. I will use it. I will buy it more and more times because of course it's my 6th purchase. You can understand. Yeah, so definitely a buy for me. Okay, the next thing is my necessity. I can't live without it. So I just ran out of my kajal in this quarantine because my kajal broke. I used to use the Faces Kannada kajal, the red one, and that broke. And yeah, I can't live without kajal. I love it so much. So I got this K Beauty kajal because I've heard so good things about this, and truly this is amazing. This really lasts for 24 hours, as it says. It is really smudge proof and transfer proof. I love this product and मुझे लगता है everybody should have this kajal in their wardrobe. It glides on very nicely and it's in the shade Spade. It's not even that costly. It's for 250 rupees, I guess. This has become my holy grail product. I love it. I have applied it today also and it is so good. The next product is actually my mom's. It's not mine. She bought this Maybelline Superstay 24 full coverage foundation. So she loves it. This is her second bottle, I guess so, and she doesn't use foundation much, so it stays for a really long time, but that was expired, so she had to buy one, and it's in the shade 128 Warm Nude. It's a very good foundation. It's full coverage, as it says in its name, and it is like my favorite Maybelline's foundation. I have in the shade 312, I guess so, golden. I hope that, and it's for rupees 750. Yeah, it's a bit pricey, but it really works like a full coverage foundation, and from a company like Maybelline, which is so versatile. I guess it's really good, right? The last Nykaa product is a lipstick, because yeah, how can I just not buy a lipstick? This is like the most favorite Maybelline range. It's a creamy matte lipstick, and it's in the shade Nude Nuance, which is so famous. I have seen this product in every YouTuber's video and I was like, I have to buy it. It's a nude color and it is so creamy, और मुझे तो लगता है कि ये shade सबके पास होना चाहिए. If you are from a light to medium skin tone, it will suit you really nicely. The price range is also very awesome. It's for rupees 299, which is so good for a bullet lipstick and such a good color. This is the color and I absolutely love this color. It's so nice. You can even wear it to any occasions or even a day-to-day thing. I even wore this lipstick in my last video and I loved the formula. It is creamy, it gets transferred, but the thing is it becomes matte after a while, so that is very good about it. It doesn't feel heavy on the lips. So yeah, okay, so we are done with all the Nykaa items. Now we will go to earrings. I got earrings from a store called KK Store and I love these earrings. It came in this box and in this packet. I've kept the packet because I had to show you guys. This is the earrings that I got and I absolutely love this. It is so well made and it is so nice. You guys can just see it is so different, right? And I'm in love with this thing. I saw it in their website and I was like, okay, I'll have to get it. Just for rupees 250 and I love it. It looks so fab. I can even wear it with this top. It will look so good, and even just not that, you can wear it with any outfit like a kurta or normal a t-shirt like this. I have linked all the things in this video in my description box. Just check it out, and thank you KK Store. It's so good. I'm looking forward to buy more from you. Okay, so the last item is from Amazon. It's a kurta and it is this. It came in this packaging, this sort of a packaging, and I was like पहले तो थोड़ा skeptical थी कि मैं इसको मंगवाऊँ या नहीं मंगवाऊँ. This is the kurta and I love it. It is a set. This is the most softest kurta I've ever owned. I don't think मैंने कोई piece खरीद के बनवाया है जो इतना soft निकले. This is the most softest kurta I've ever seen. This is my favorite, and even the color, it's in teal color and I don't own anything in this color. And the most favorite part is this. I love this color. It's such a cute pink color, and this is what attracted me. And trust me, this is from a brand called Janasya, and it's for rupees 3299 originally, but I got this for around 950, I guess. I'll put all the details and everything here, the name and the price. And I love it. I'm gonna show you guys how I look here, and trust me, if I would recommend anything from this whole haul, then this is the thing. I love it. It's a set, and within 1000 rupees, everything in this whole haul was under 1000 rupees. But yeah, this has become my favorite thing now. I'm just waiting for Durga Puja, and I want to wear it out. And yeah, so yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. I really kept it very honest and very fun, with everything on the point and very detailed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram because I'm super active there. And I hope you guys are liking my videos, and if you do, then please comment कर दो, because अगर comment करोगे ना तो ideas आते हैं, अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है मेरा content. तो yeah, and we will meet each other next time. Bye.